Hello everyone. Today I will share my a message campaign case strategy and I what can you get the more message for your customer. And now I can just share my experience with my performance message campaign. So look at that. That is my performance message campaign. That is a number of three campaigns name. So look at that. My total message is last 7 days. Look at that. That is the last 7 days. Last 7 days this campaign provide me the 701 message এবং my per message cost only 5 cent. So that is a huge result actually. So I just go to my adset level, what kind of targeting I provide, and Facebook give me a perfect result for this campaign. So look at that. I use my two adset. So first of all, the interest based adset, and the second one, the custom adset. So and now I just go to my campaign so ad label. So look at that. I use the multiple video ads, like one kind of six video ads, and these three ads they performing very well. So I can continue this kind of ads, and I just pause and off this kind of ads. So now I just go to my interest based targeting inside. So I just click the edit option. But that is my targeting, interest based targeting. So I can use the advanced. So Facebook AI is too much smart now, so he can know that, but Facebook know that. So what kind of audience targeting the best option for me. So look at that. I just select my age group. My age group is minimum of 18 and the maximum is 45, and my gender is obviously that is the women, because that product is the women's clothing. So now I can use see that what kind of targeting I just use. So look at that. First of all, I use the English shopper, the frequency international travel, frequency travel, the many kind of university. So I can use the University of Bangladesh, the East West University, the Jahangirnagar University, the North South University. I kind of student is more interested to my product, so they can engage me. And now I can try to the actor, the clothing brand retail, clothing brand retails the interest based people, the college, now the modeling agency, the party dress, the street fashion, the sustainable clothing, the top, the university, the western wear. Western wear is too much the good quality interest targeting. Now I can try the women's clothing retails, the higher education, the clothing, the fashion accessories, the shopping, the dresses, and the last of all the online shopper. So I can target the three different types of interest behavior and demographic people. Like first of all, the one kind of the school going people, like university and college going people, and the second one is the engaged shopper, online shopper, the shopping related interested people, and third one I just select my the some interest based people, like the many kind of clothing interest people, the many kind of party dress interest people. This kind of people I just select and I just target it. And now I can see that what kind of placement and platform I can use. So look at that. That is the I can use only the Facebook, and I don't edit any kind of placement here. The Facebook provide me the 21 placement for the Facebook, sorry, 11 placement for the Facebook, and I just use all kind of things. So here that is my another targeting, and this targeting is the one kind of the custom audience. So look at that. Before I run number of campaign one, so this campaign the people, the 45 to 45 to 95% the video views people, and the 3 to 15 seconds the video views people. And now I can target my all campaigns, previously all campaign, what kind of people just video views, my 25 to 95%, and 3 to 15%, and 75 to 19%. And this kind of targeting is a very much engaged and very kind of warm audience you can get it. And now I can just look at that what kind of placement is performing well for this campaign. So let's go to the ad section and just click the background and look at that. That is a placement, that's a platform. I don't use any control, so I use the only platform, that is Facebook. So I don't see that, I just use the placement. So look at that. This placement give me the 136 result, and this placement give me the 380 messages. So look at that. That is the Facebook feed, and that is the Facebook reels. So you can decide that what kind of placement are very performing well for your campaign. So now we can decide that what kind of placement you can get, you can target it that, and that is what kind of placement give me you the maximum number of conversion and maximum number of messages. So that is the total background, and that is the total the case study. I hope you can understand properly what is the strategy for I can build up for my ad section and ad set section, and you just and I hope you can understand that properly, and you have any question for me, so you just knock me my WhatsApp. So it is for today, guys. I hope you can understand that. So thank you.